So hey guys, what's up? Omar back again with a new video. So in this video I will be showing you a good quality mechanical keyboard. So in Amazon there are many choices, but in this video I will show you a LifeTech keyboard. It's a premium mechanical keyboard and it comes from LifeTech. There are some features in the front and the back of the box, and it also supports Windows, Linux and iOS. A cost of 3499 rupees, but I have got of 2000 rupees from a shop. The box comes like this and I have repacked it. I am using this keyboard from a year now and it's a good keyboard. It comes with a gold plated USB port and braided cable. The cable length is 1.5 meter, but it feels a little bit less for me. And talking about the key quality is very good and it's clicky. You can change the light modes in this keyboard by pressing a button. You can also turn off them by clicking it continuously until it turns off. I play games like Valorant and Battlegrounds Mobile India using this keyboard and it feels good. Also in editing, it feels clicky and it's fun to edit my videos using this keyboard. So that's it for today. Make sure you drop a like and do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.